Hey, 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 this is Kurt the Boat Doctor out here at the bay. It's gonna rain. Woo, I can feel it sprinkle dinkle. Hey, I call this boat the Shocker. Look at them gills on there. Hey, anyway, this is the boat I'm just taking out to check the height of the jet. It's probably gonna be okay. It looks like he's 2 holes too low, but they wanted it lowered. Yeah, it'd probably be okay. Water line's right there. The thing is, he has a lot of weight he puts up front, so when he takes off, wants to cavitate, you may need to put a splash guard definitely on here to keep that spray from coming up. I'm just out here to check this. It's a 200 Black Max, or Max I should say. Anyway, hey, I'll call this Mad Max. The boat Mad, not the car, but the boat Mad Max. Look at this. This looks like something that can be run. We'll see what happens. Boat Doctor out.